Hey, my beautiful Afro-Latino, French Caribbean music lovers, and party people from all around the globe. Welcome back to Rey Starz Reaction. Rey Starz here, and today we are going to do our reaction and commentary to Santana's Foo Foo, or Foo Foo, whichever way you want to pronounce it. This is a good one, and I think you'll really like it. Also, please, as always, please do not forget to like and subscribe. All right, hit that button. All right, here we go. Woohoo!
James B. Everybody get down, get down, get down.
Wow, Santana, the angels are singing your praises. Man, this is so good. This is from the Shaman album, and on this album, anybody's there, right? So I think they have Angelique Kidjo, Dido, Rob Thomas, and you name it, right? And oh, my man Seal is there, right? So that's how I learned about this album, is because Seal, for me, I'm a big Seal fan, and Seal is on this album. But this song, this one is done with Tabou Combo, like the Haitian band Tabou Combo. They had a song called Mabouya, and they had the Mabouya dance. I don't know if you guys remember the Mabouya dance, but anyway, on this album, Tabou Combo is credited with Hermano, Yvonne Dre, who else is there? I think Jean-Yves is there. Jean-Paul Jean. They're all there, right? All the guys, they got accredited for this one. This is such a great song. This is a party song, yeah. So, but this title is Foo Foo. Yeah, Foo Foo is so great. I love this album, and please, I think you should try to get this album. But I dance to this one all the time, right? So again, Santana, Foo Foo with Tabou Combos. I'm gonna say, like, this is a cover of Mabouya from Tabou Combo, and it is really, really, really well done. All right, let's get back into it because I just want to dance to this one. All right, let's go.
Come on. I don't speak Spanish. Foo Foo.
Besito, besito, besito. Se dice kiss your girlfriend, kiss your girlfriend. Everybody jump!
Jump, 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 jump.
Todo el mundo con la mano arriba. Todo el mundo con la mano arriba.
Yes, man. Asuka. Wow, this is so great, right? And I can just imagine in the studio they had fun with this one. And can you hear Santana going off on the guitar at the end? Oh my goodness, what a song! Mabouya from Tabou Combo, well done. And I'm so glad that Santana put him on that album. Yeah. So again, Santana, the angels are singing your praises. Yeah, my brother, this is so great. Oh, and I like to talk, and I gotta tell you, with Santana, he has another one called Jingle. And I remember I used to be at Body and Souls on Sundays, and Joke ourselves will just drop Jingle there. And I mean, this is like a dance party. There's no standing there, and it was so great. Jingle by Santana. That's for like another day. Yeah. Well, anyway, guys, as always, find the album, get it, and listen to it. All right. So yeah, Wyclef is on the album with Melky. Anybody is on that album. All right. All right. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is Rey Starz saying, peace out.